Friends, if you also do Forex trading or have been thinking about starting Forex trading for a long time, but you are confused about which broker you should use while staying in India so that you get proper deposits and withdrawals and you get proper low spreads. So especially in India, let us talk about two name brokers. One of the big Forex brokers is XNESS and one is XM. So today, I am going to make a proper comparison between the two so that you can understand. Find out which broker you should start with. You can see here on my screen that I have made two columns here, one for EXS and one for EXM, where I will tell the props year of corporation regulation minimum deposit spread payment method deposit and withdrawal commission leverage, deposit bonus competition and manager. I will tell you everything in detail. I am going to show a comparison between both the brokers so that you can understand which broker. Do a comparison between EXNESS and XM with me so that you can friends. The first point here is to start the broker properly. Our year of corporation is the first act, which is our broker. In which year we were started. Then see, this broker was started from 2008. That is today, it is running from 2024-2008. This Forex broker was started. If we talk about both the brokers were started around the same year, so it has been a long time since both the brokers are very old brokers in the Forex industry. Now let us talk about the regulations. Let us see the regulation of Axis. From where did Axis get the regulation? If it happens, FS is affiliated with Financial Services Authority and CBCS. Full form of FSC is Financial Service Commission and FSCA. Full form of FSCA is Financial Sector Conduct Authority and ASAS FCA CMA. It has got regulation from all these places. If we talk about Accles Fox Broker, then we will look at the regulation of Axum Broker, then we will also look at that. The regulation that Axum Broker has got is from FCA. Already I have told you the full form, friends. It is related to FCA. The full form of FCA is Financial Conduct Authority. It is related to FSC. It is related to SAES. Let us talk minimum. If you look at the minimum deposit of AXLUS, then there is no requirement for the minimum deposit. If you create a standard account, then for other accounts the minimum is $500 or more. And if we talk about XM, then the minimum in XM is $5 if you create a normal account. Minimum dollar you have to deposit here. If we talk about spread, there is also zero spread account in Axis, but there is a little difference when you create a zero spread account in Axis, then here you have some mission charge. If we talk about the spread of XM, then the spread of the nominal spread seems to be compared to exchange. The spread of both is almost equal. If we talk about the payment method in exchange is UPI, net banking, bank card, crypto, and Axum. If we talk about Axum, then we get almost the same in Axum. If we go to payment method, both are equal till now. They are working equally. If we talk about deposit and withdrawal, how much time does it take? Then in instant crypto it takes instant time. Instant is available in it is as if I already told you, but here in Axum Broker, we do not have to pay any commission. Friend, as of now, if we see, Axum is better in some things, and Axis is in some things. It is better, but still I will tell you that there are big names in both the markets. Personally, I will also recommend you which broker you should start and why you should start, so please watch this video till the end. You will find the links of both the brokers on the description. If you get it, then please check it. Let us talk about leverage. The leverage which Axis Hamay provides. One ratio provides unlimited, but friend 1 ORI 1001. Even Rs 500 is average enough. In the Forex market, no one uses this much. Unlimited. In Axum, we get leverage of Rs 1000. Till that point, maximum people use it. If we talk about deposit bonus, Axum does not provide any deposit bonus. We provide a deposit bonus of up to 100%. And the deposit bonus is currently running in Axum. That is, if you deposit up to $200, then you get a deposit bonus of 100%. That is, if you are depositing $200, then your capital will be $400. So if you want to start XM immediately, then you will get the link in the description. Create account with link, deposit funds, you will get 100% deposit bonus, even provides this competition in the demo account too, where if you win the competition, then you earn a good amount. Talking about the manager, here no separate manager is provided to you if you are trading. But if we talk about Axum, then in Axum also you are provided with a trading manager. These are some things which make, if you want to start a Forex broker, then you can start XM. Currently, you will get 100% deposit bonus. The link is on the description. If you start XM with me, then you will